Hello everybody, it's Jordan the Computer Man here, and today I'm going to be coding. I just have to open VS Code and just code because I honestly didn't feel like going to the gym today and I didn't feel like coding today. I'm going to Houston tomorrow, so I need to record because if I don't, there's not going to be a video coming out this week. So let's just jump right on into this. So I'm going to be honest with you, right? I did do a little bit of coding off camera. But it looks nice, But I think I want to change my logo and I'll just change the image. But I have all of these links here, right? So all I got to do is make them actually do something when I click them. So what I'm going to do is look up Next.js links because I forgot how to use everything. It looks like I might not have to do an npm install of anything, which would be good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to VS Code, right? And I'm going to click on here. And I'm going to do new folder, pages. I did this already, but I don't know if I did it on camera or not, but I'm doing it again. And I'm just going to create a file for everything. So we have home. We have another for, it was supposed to be .js. And also I can delete all these, but I'm going to do home blog .js. I think I had projects in there .js. Yeah, projects, home, blog, and content.js. All right, so next, I'm going to go here and I'm going to delete all of this. I'm going to delete it. We delete it. I was using React DOM router because I forgot how to use everything. I'm going to be honest with you, but this says import link, okay, it's supposed to be capital, link from Next. There we go. And import globals.js. I thought I had that in here already, but apparently I didn't. But the good news is it still works, so that's good. So in order to get this working, I need to do a path name for all of these. But I also need to make my nav bar sticky. I don't remember how to do that. So First, I'm gonna focus on going to different links. So, okay, I'm gonna do a link href inside of this and see what happens. So I have a here, and I think instead of a, I would actually do link href / pages into projects.js. And I will copy this and put them on everything, which it's prompting me to do. But back one, and then down here we got back one. Then we got this here, capital B, capital C. Is that everything? I think that's everything. And I just have a slash here, which this should probably be the same for home. We got home.js, and we're going to do, export default function home and return. And we're going to do another main. And we're going to close that main. And, okay, I thought it went. And then inside of here, wait, did I do it wrong? Why am I getting red lines? What's going on? Okay, so here we go. We got this, and then this one's closing it, and then inside of here, we're just gonna do a nice H1 and call it home. Yeah, let's do that. And if I click that, will it say home? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Okay, so I found something. I don't have links for everything, like an idiot. So I have to change those so that they all say link. And I'm just going to copy link and then just paste it where all my A's are. So if you can see here, that, and then bam. Then we're going to go down here even though I could just tab and everything will be fixed. And then I can go down here and do the same thing, right? We got bam, link, and then bam, link. And let's see what happens. Okay. 404, 404, 404, 404. Okay, nice. Got it. Maybe that's not better than the 404. Maybe the 404 is better than blank. Okay, so I'm attempting to fix this. So apparently my issue is, my file structure was wrong. So it needs to have a folder that's for each page, which looks really familiar to my old project. And what I would do is, instead of pages, I would just do slash, whoa, and then slash, nope, need that slash, and then slash home. I'm too low. Let's do that, slash home, right? So what I'm gonna do, refresh this and hope. Dang it, what is wrong with this? This is so annoying. This is why AI is taking everything over. Okay, I'm sorry for my little tantrum there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is rename this to page. And I'm gonna just rename all of them to just page.js instead of page.js. You might be wondering, oh, that sounds the exact same. It's because it is. Page should probably be lowercase because it's lowercase here. And that is the default. So instead of me trying to be all cool, naming things with capital letters like an idiot, don't do that. Refresh. Please print home. Oh, thank God. We did it. We did it. We did it. We have content here. We have blog. We did it. Now for my next trick that I'm not going to do tonight because I'm tired is to have my nav bar be sticky. So it'll, like, I'll click this and it'll just say home below, and projects, it'll say home below my nav bar, but my nav bar will stay visible the entire time. Also, I'll probably actually like look into some different designs to make my, like, maybe my nav bar is ugly. You know, maybe it could be transparent or something. I don't know. But yeah. I think after I make my nav bar sticky, I'm going to try to make it responsive. And I think I'm going to keep trying to make my website responsive as I go, compared to when I first did it, where I just created my website and then tried to make it responsive, and then everything just kind of blew up. It's really, really ugly. But with that being said, I'm still not into the coding part yet, but I am building something, which is good. I'm moving towards a goal. So something is better than nothing. And trust me, I didn't feel like doing anything today, but I forced myself up to go to the gym, and I forced myself to turn on this PC so I can code. So the least I can do is actually record it and edit it at the airport tomorrow, because I am going to Houston. But with that being said, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord. My link is in the description. And you can follow me on Instagram. My name is Jordan the Polymath, and I'm going to see all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching.